All right. Today we're going to install a battery tending cable. This is so you can plug the battery tender in through the rear seat without having to take your main seat off and connect directly to the battery terminals. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the cable, put it up from the bottom seat to the top seat. You lay that to the side. Take the positive terminal off first. Install the positive terminal first. If you bought a cheap Chinese set, the one with the fuse will be the positive side. Here's the fuse.
Negative side.
I prefer to route the cables together. One thing you can do is cut the section out that is going to go over the cable, kind of like how this is already ripped. That way your terminal is still covered. So you can see how the cable lays down on the side, the other side of this plastic divider. That's where you want it. And then make sure your dust cap is on, and it's good to go. So instead of doing this, now we can and we're still charging.